Bum, ba-da, dun, dun, dun.
Sounds great. Oh, it smells so good. It's a little wax-sealed adventure. We will not break the seal. Oh. Dear adventurer, fall is officially in the air, and we could not be more excited for this season. With many more adventures planned and many great scents available, we hope this year's your best fall season ever. The Wizard and the Princess. I have little Fable Beard trading cards. Oh, some plethora of smells in here. Well, let's start looking at what we got. To begin, the package started off with some beard wash and 3 different types of conditioner. This one, just like the shampoo, is Everyday Hero. This one is called the Shark. And this one's amusing to me because it's the Crinkle Monster, which is the same thing as the confetti that's given to you. It's great. And of course, for Everyday Hero, you have to have yourself deodorant, and you gotta get yourself some cologne. Yep, smells like cotton candy. Whoop. And next we had ourselves both of the beard butters. This one is the wand, and back to the Crinkle Monster. And of course, to have a little bit more of a hold, we have ourselves the beard bombs. This one is the Emperor, and back to the Shark. And this one came with so many different beard oils, I literally have a hard time trying to hold them all. Let's go through them though. So the first one that we have is the Ice Cream Mall. Next we have the Lone Shark, the Chemist, the Crown, the Slugger, the Shark, the Refresher, the Caroler for the holidays, the Great White, and one I think I might be a personal fan of is the Gunslinger. Thank you again for the Fable Beard Company for sending these to me. I'm looking forward to going over them. They already smell amazing, so I cannot wait to go ahead and try them out. But yeah, I'll make sure to give you guys updates along as I'm trying them all out. Alright, thank you so much guys. Bye!